The question is inside the bracket. 108 divided by 9, bracket close, multiplied by 4, divided by 6. First, as we know, we'll solve the bracket. So 108 divided by 9 is 12 times. So inside the bracket, it's 12 multiplied by 4 divided by 6. Now let's solve it further. 12 into 4 divided by 6. We know that division and multiplication have the same priority, so we solve from left to right. When checking left to right, whichever comes first gets the first priority. Here, multiplication comes first, so multiplication gets the first priority and division gets the second priority. 12 into 4 divided by 6. Now by 6. It will be divided by 6. So let's solve further. 2 into 4 equals 8. This is the right answer.